This is shunt smart flow system. There are 3 features. 1. Shunt multiple CNC machinery. 2. Fully automatic refill the coolant tank. 3. Accurate coolant concentration. Tap water flows into our equipment and then goes through 3 steps of filters to purify the water. First, PP fiber. Second, resin. Third, activated carbon. After filtering, the water makes ozone disinfection. After disinfection, the water flows into the water tank through the oil-water mixture pump. The mixture coolant flows to the mixture tank. There is a stir stick inside the tank to keep the coolant activated. Customers can choose to refill the coolant by hand, by a floating bowl, by a mechanical device, or by an electronic device. We have optional equipment with flow meter, concentration meter, and temperature meter. We have separate control panel, and this is mixture maximum. This is import tank maximum, and this is oil barrel minimum. There's label sensor in the oil barrel. When run out of oil, the machine will stop and the alarm. The oil barrel main button light is on after replacing the new oil barrel. Push the reset mode. Then the machine will operate normally again.